FaceTime has long been an Apple exclusive, but with the release of iOS 15, non-Apple users can also make FaceTime calls, or should I say can join FaceTime calls. There's a catch. Keep watching. Hello everyone, Aman here for Mr. Phone, and in this video I'll quickly show you how to join FaceTime calls on an Android smartphone. But before we start, motivate us by hitting the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest videos. So technically, Android users still can't make FaceTime calls on their own. Instead, to make a FaceTime call, you still need an iOS 15 device. With that said, if you have an iPhone or an iPad running on iOS 15, you can now invite your friends or family who have an Android smartphone over to a FaceTime call. Here's how. On your iOS 15 device, open FaceTime and hit Create Link. The share sheet will now appear. First, add a name if you want to. After that, simply share the FaceTime link directly from the available options, or you can even copy the link and share it individually with any of your contacts. Now, all you need to do is to hit the recently created FaceTime link and tap Join in the top right. Similarly, on the receiver's end, they simply need to tap the link, follow the prompts on their phone's browser, and finally tap Join. You being the host will now receive a pop-up. Simply accept the ad request and your FaceTime call will be underway. As a host, you can add up to 32 people on a FaceTime call by sharing the link, and there's no time limit on the call, so that's great. So that's all for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, then definitely smash that like button and share this video with others. As always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Mr. Phone. I'll catch you all in the very next one. Thank you for watching.